In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Microsoft account. To do that, you simply head over to Microsoft.com and sign into your account. From here, click your account on the upper right and click on your My Account right here. And so this is going to redirect you to your account, the back office of your account, your Microsoft account. Let's call it that. And so you can easily now change the language by scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find language as one of these options here at the bottom. So if you click on the current language, what this is gonna do now is take you over to where you can change the display language. So here you can just choose whichever language that you want, and it will basically change for you. And here, as you can see, it says this will change the display language on this website. So that's pretty much all that you have to do. As you can see, I have the English United States right here, and so I'm gonna go ahead and look for another English option here. Let me see if there's more that I could choose from. Here's, for example, English UK. So I could click this and you will see what happens. It's going to just refresh and take me back to the home page. And this is where I can change the language. So if I ever want to even change it to a different language, let's say I will choose this España. This is like Spanish option, right? Again, this is like Catalan. I'm gonna click on this and you will see it refresh and it's gonna change to Spanish. As you can see, it's done. And if I want to change it back, I click on it and just find the language that I want to use. And in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in English, for example. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.